Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we were ranging around the blue horizontal dotted line at approximately 81,800, and I identified on the liquidation heat map that there was a potential setup to liquidate a hot pocket of high leverage short positions around 84,000. Today, Bitcoin's price action not only found support at 81.8 thousand, leading to a push toward the next horizontal resistance at 83.3 thousand, but also started clearing out the short side liquidity cluster. Right now, price is pausing at the next key resistance of 84.6 thousand, but the liquidation cluster extends all the way to 88,000, making a move toward these levels increasingly likely. On the 1 hour time frame, we're seeing a green dot print on the wave trend indicator, signaling upward momentum. This aligns with the green dot on the daily time frame from 3 days ago, reinforcing the idea that we are in a potential trend continuation phase to the upside. Looking at institutional flows, Bitcoin ETFs are seeing positive inflows again, totaling $37 million so far. Bitwise leads with $23 million in inflows, showing renewed investor confidence. Traditional markets, which contributed to recent volatility, are also recovering. The Nasdaq is up almost 3% today, forming a W reversal pattern, while the SPX is up 2.55%. While this is a strong rebound, the SPX would still need a further 9.11% move to reclaim its February 20th levels, which won't be an easy task. In the last 24 hours, $159.75 million in liquidations occurred, with shorts taking the biggest hit at $113 million, compared to $46.74 million in long liquidations. Bitcoin is positioning itself for another push toward the psychological barrier of 100,000, and potential catalysts are emerging. There's growing speculation about BitBonds, which could lead to large-scale Bitcoin purchases by the US government. I'll cover this in more detail in a separate video soon. In other news, WLFI token sales have sold out. Congrats to those who followed my how-to guide and secured an allocation. I'll be updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading insights. Click on the like button of the video if you found value in this analysis. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.